So I probably have said this more than the next person, more than anybody, honestly. I don't know. But I believe XRP is going to be worth trillions. I really do. I think that there's so much going for it that people maybe don't see. And even if they do see, they don't really see the value in that or as much as I see that value in it. But again, that may just be my opinion. I may just be making a large bet on something that might not pan out. And that's fully okay, right? Life is full of decisions and opportunities that you have, right? Making those decisions based on those opportunities. And I believe XRP is one of those decisions and opportunities that many will have, that I will have. And that's why I'm saying that XRP will be worth so much more. So, in this video, again, I want to talk about XRP being worth trillions. I probably have made 3 videos on this, 4 videos on this, videos talking about XRP being worth more than Bitcoin, live streams about XRP being worth more than Bitcoin, but I truly do believe it. Right? That is what's in my mind. It doesn't mean that it has to be your opinion at all. But I truly do believe it. And when it does happen, a lot of the doubters are going to be like, you know what? I missed an opportunity there. And other doubters will be like, nope, he's going to be wrong eventually, right? They're just going to move on to the next thing. And that's okay. Whatever makes you feel better and makes you sleep better at night, that's fine. I'm going to sleep just fine knowing that I made my own decisions and living with my decisions. Now, if you guys could, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos, crypto videos, XRP videos, all of that. If you guys want to check out my link for BTCC, that link is at the top of the description. It is honestly a very, very good platform that allows you to leverage trade all the way up to a 500x leverage, which I don't recommend. I recommend doing, maybe even a 2x leverage all the way to 10x leverage. Give yourself some room to be wrong because we're all wrong. And if we have room to be wrong, we can be right a little bit more, and the positivity shows, especially in your bank account. So definitely check that out. If you use my link, you will get a 10% deposit bonus. Also, extra bonuses up to $10,055, and you can get up to 40% lower trading fees. Now, they also have a giveaway going on for 375 USDT. If you guys want to sign up, deposit, and trade by the end of this month, you will be entered for that giveaway. So feel free to check it out. Link is down there in the description. Now, XRP currently stands at a price of $1.40. It's definitely a lot lower than where it was at the high, $3 plus. And many people believe that we're now in a bear market and it's going to stay here, or we're going to see it fall even further. It currently sits at an $85 billion market cap with about $2.5 billion worth of volume. Over 500,000 holders with 61 billion coins in circulating supply. Now, I have an exit plan. I have an exit plan set up for multiple prices of $5 and $7.50 and $10 and $12 and all of these different levels that I want to take my initial investment plus profit from. But ultimately, I have higher and higher tiers that I'm going to still have XRP at. Right? Forever, I should have about 10,000 XRP forever. And when I say forever, obviously the cats are now getting fed. So that just kind of scared. Yeah, anyways, he jumped out of this bed right here. This bed that was sitting right here. He just jumped out as fast as possible because the feeder just went off. But anyways, I think that XRP is going to be way more valuable than what people think. Worth trillions of dollars. I've lost my train of thought, but that's basically what I'm getting at, is that it's going to be worth a lot more. But other people believe that as well. Right? If I go into an article here talking about XRP and how it could be your ticket to becoming a millionaire by 2035. Now, this gives a timeline. I don't really like to give timelines. I believe it's going to happen. If it happens by 2035, if it happens by 2027, great. But if it takes until 2040 or 2050, then that's fine as well. Like, you're establishing kind of this nest egg to see that grow and see that become something a lot bigger than what many people believed it to be. Now, I think that crypto will be more established well before that 2035 mark, saying that it's going to be about 10 years before that does happen. But if we go down here, what catalyst does XRP have? So corporations incur a hefty fees when settling international transactions denominated in multiple currencies. Now, on top of that, wire transfers across the SWIFT network, the most widely used platform in international transactions, can take days to settle, as the funds may have more or may have moved through a series of intermediate banks. Now, XRP offers lower transaction fees and quicker settlement times for international money transfers compared to incumbent solutions. XRP's status as a bridge cryptocurrency gives it a legitimate chance to revolutionize a cross-border spending and addressable market expected to grow from $195 trillion to $320 trillion by 2032, right? So, Chief Executive Officer Brad Garlinghouse has suggested that XRP Ledger could acquire a market share equal to 14% of Swift's volume within the next 5 years. As it stands, Swift is the default settlement layer, facilitating an estimated $5 trillion of transactions each day. Each day. Where could XRP be trading in a decade? So let's just go down here. According to Kendrick's forecast, XRP could soar to a price of $12.50 by 2028. This would amount to a compound annual growth rate of nearly 70% during the next few years. Now, I believe, right, that XRP has or can take over a lot of that market share, right, or should, because when you think about something that is easier, is cheaper, is more efficient, is secure, is all of those things that you want to see and happen within seconds. We're not talking about days. We're not talking about hours. We're not talking about a half a day. We're talking about seconds, not even minutes. We're talking about seconds to where that can happen. The world is full of impatient people. I can be impatient at times. A lot of times I'm trying to be patient, but there are a ton of times I'm impatient. I can be in line at a fast food place and they tell me, oh, it's going to take another 5 minutes to make chicken nuggets. And I'm like, oh, why is it taking you 5 more minutes to make chicken nuggets? It should already be done. That's why it's called, fast food. Like that's the type of impatience you can have. But since the world is full of that impatience, you want to see that if you're going to make a transaction or do anything or give somebody money, give a country money and whatever, you want to see that that's going to happen now, right? Within seconds. I get impatient with my cryptocurrency that I send to myself, right? From one wallet to the next. And I'm like, when is it going to get here? Oh, it's going to take another minute or two. Great, right? I want to see that it's pending. I want to see that it went to the right wallet. I want to see that it's going to happen. But XRP, it can happen literally like that. I snap my fingers and it's in my other account, right? So that's kind of where we stand. And I think with something that you compare with the banking system, the traditional monetary system or SWIFT or anything, it's going to happen in a longer period of time and eat at that patience that we do have. So if it does become more usable, or when it does become more usable and people start accepting it a lot more, that's when people are like, I would rather go with this because it is immediate and it's just as secure and it's cheaper. Like all of these things that we want, you can get out of XRP. So I honestly think if you talk about trillions of dollars a day, even take over, 20%, let's say 20% of it, because it's $5 trillion a day, it takes over 20%, $1 trillion every single day in volume that we can see with XRP transacted back and forth. That could be absolutely phenomenal. One, that's light years ahead of where Bitcoin is, right? Bitcoin sees, at a good day could be $100 billion, but seeing $1 trillion in XRP could be 10 times where Bitcoin is right now. Not saying Bitcoin's going to fail, but Bitcoin will still have that store of value. XRP will be more transaction heavy, meaning that people are moving it. People want it. People want to use it. Businesses want to use it. Countries want to use it. Banks want to use it. That's the way that it goes. And when it's all said and done, XRP will be worth more than Bitcoin. It will be worth trillions of dollars, because even just looking at $1 trillion that's moving, not necessarily saying this is $1 billion right here, right? If we look at where XRP is right now, and we see $2 billion worth of volume and it's sitting at an $85 billion market cap. Imagine if we see $1 trillion worth of volume every single day. $1 trillion worth of volume, we'll probably see a $10 trillion market cap at that point, getting us with a 100, let's say, billion coin supply that they have. That's $100 price point. I mean, that's a no-brainer to just do simple math. But even if you wanted to go down to the $1 trillion level with $1 trillion worth of volume every single day, which wouldn't add up, you should see a lot more than what that volume is coming in, because then that's going to be a market volume to market cap ratio of 100% at a $1 trillion market cap, which would be insane. But let's say it is that. It's still a $10 price point from where we stand here today with 100 coins out there in circulation. Without 100 coins out there in circulation, it's a lot more or a lot higher of a price point there. So I'm excited for what XRP can bring, and I will continue to push this forward even when it does happen, and say, maybe say to some of the doubters, I told you so, but more or less like, this is what we got out of it, because we believed, because we saw the vision, rather than wanted to see everybody else's doubt. Guys, I'm going to get out of here. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below for Patreon, Twitter, for BTCC. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.